as you know, she is still transitioning into her new hat, into her new role sa Oro. So let's give the good admin time to get acclimated with the work, with the new work she's doing. But it's good to see everybody here. Thank you po lahat ito. So yun na lang. And we'll see you at the Filipino community. Dito sa
Ay, sarap.
another Saudi veteran.
Siyempre, ganun talaga yan.
And
Ay,
speaking of Saudi veteran, si Ate Benny. Oh, yeah. So, kompleto, I bring with me the team from Central Office who are well versed in Saudi laws and regulations and culture. And of course, yung sistema natin at proseso ng pagbigay ng protection sa OFWs dito sa Kingdom. So, yun na lamang. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Dito tayo mga